Think of a large language model, an LLM, as a brilliant intern. They are incredibly articulate and they've read almost everything on the internet. But there is a catch. They have no memory of your specific business and no access to your internal system. On their own, they can talk, but they don't know your data and they certainly can't act on your behalf. So, what's the solution? Today we are looking at two ways to bridge that gap. One is RAG and the other is MCP. First, let's talk about RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. If you want your AI to know more, you use RAG. Its main purpose is to ground the AI in authoritative, up-to-date information. Things like PDF, manuals, or even company websites. The process is simple. When you ask a question like, what is our vacation policy? The system retrieves relevant passages from your documents, adds them to your prompt, and then the LLM generates an answer based on those facts. It's all about providing the right knowledge so the AI doesn't just guess or hallucinate. But what if you want your AI to actually do something? That's where MCP, the Model Context Protocol, comes in. If RAG is about knowing, MCP is about doing. MCP is a communication protocol that lets an AI agent connect directly to your system, like your payroll software or your CRM. Instead of just reading a handbook, an AI using MCP can look at a server, understand what tools are available, and then execute a command. In our vacation example, RAG tells you how the policy works, but MCP is what actually logs into the HR system, checks your remaining balance, and submit the time off request to your manager, etc. The big takeaway isn't that you have to choose one over the other. In fact, the most powerful AI projects use both. MCP can actually use RAG as one of its tools. The key to building the next generation of AI isn't just picking a pattern. It's understanding when to retrieve knowledge and when to call tools. Because at the end of the day, an agent that can both think and act is far more valuable than one that can only talk. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.